Lalo ulit. Good morning. This is the 2nd of February. And this is what's happening in London. After 18 years, heavy snow. Good morning, Ronald. Good morning, Cecil.
What's good about the morning? Look at us. Snow.
Ice Age.
Marcel, ingat.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye.
Inaano nila para hindi mag-snow.